इसने उसकी तरफ हाथ बढ़ाया।
She extended a hand toward him. She extended a hand toward him.
आदमी घबरा कर इधर इधर देखता रहा।
The man kept glancing around nervously. The man kept glancing around nervously.
इसे फौरी तौर पर जवाब मालूम हो जाएगा।
He would know the answer immediately. He would know the answer immediately.
मैं मुकाबला शुरू करने के लिए हमेशा की तरह तैयार हूँ।
I am ready as ever to start the competition. I am ready as ever to start the competition.
उसने अपने कुत्ते के लिए एक छोटी टोपी पहनी थी।
He wore a little cap for his dog. He wore a little cap for his dog.
आवाज साफ और पेशा वराना लग रही थी।
The voice sounded clear and professional. The voice sounded clear and professional.
शाइस्तः होने के बारे में कुछ सबक लें।
Take some lessons on how to be courteous. Take some lessons on how to be courteous.
ये मेरे पास है।
I have it with me. I have it with me.
आपको सिर्फ इसका मंसूबा नाकाम बनाना था।
You just had to fail his plan. You just had to fail his plan.
इसका रवैया संजीदा हो गया।
His demeanor turned serious. His demeanor turned serious.